My name is Kejie Zhao. I'm working at Purdue University, School of Mechanical Engineering. My field is on mechanics and materials, and particularly on battery materials and semiconductor polymer materials. Well, this workshop, first of all, I like this workshop very much. I think this relatively small group size workshop is more effective than large group conference. You can learn much more from closely related researchers. And from this PIRE workshop, I talked with several colleagues, and we share our research interest. And definitely we can complement with each other, either on modeling side or experimental side. So my background is mainly on modeling for silicon oxycarbide materials, and I'm happy to learn a lot of experiments and how to fabricate and manufacture this type of materials, which is most I learned so far. Well, I'm not the best person for application side, since my current work is mainly on modeling side, theoretical understanding what is mechanical stability and what is electrochemical performance of the silicon oxycarbide. But my hope is definitely it has a bright future for application in structural materials. From what I learned, that it has this composite matrix has very good strengths. And could be applied for like turbine engines and other application field. And more related to my field, I'm working on battery materials, and the other groups, one of my colleagues, Dr. Singh, has demonstrated that these materials can be cycled for over 1,000 cycles, which is very close to commercial battery materials. So I hope near the future, this material can be truly applied to the lithium-ion batteries. That's more related to my research.